working? Oh my gosh, that is the most hilarious thing I've ever heard in my entire life. That is just hilarious. Hey Mom, this is for you. Aha! I'm like a midget. Okay, are you ready for this? I see you drive round town and think that I love you and I'm not to you. I feel it in my head. Follow the yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road, follow the yellow brick road.
Just put your lips on it and then it'll.
Where? I don't even
On there's just put it some in this general area.
Oh my goodness gracious. We represent the Lollipop Guild, the Lollipop Guild, the Lollipop Guild, and in the name of the Lollipop Guild, we wish to welcome you to Munchkin Land. People in the place, if you want to get down, do your hands in the air. Get it. Push it real good, son. Push it real good. Shut up. Oh, baby, baby. But baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Push it real good.